Getting Sajari up and running only takes a few minutes. Click Add App on the Shopify App Store to install it. Now we will create a Sajari account. Sign up with your work email and password or via Google. Add a few more details, then we can get started. Once your account is ready, it's time to create a collection. Not to be confused with the Shopify collection, a Sajari collection holds all your product information and makes it searchable. That's it. Sajari will now perform an initial index of your store. The indexing takes about 45 seconds, and depending on the size of your store, will continue in the background after the initial index is complete. Now that we have a few products in our store, it's time to set up the user interface. You can see your products are already here, and you can search them, so the search already works. But we might want to refine how we search them, the filters on the left-hand side, and the look and feel. So let's just add another filter for color. We select color, we give the section a title, and we can specify a specific type of filter, in this case, the color filter, to get nice swatches. And now we can filter our products by color. To ensure the search you add perfectly blends in with the rest of your store, you can change the color of the UI components to match your brand. If your search bar is just the way you want it, the only thing left to do is to install it into your Shopify theme. If you need help with installation, just get in touch. We'll get you up and running in no time. But if you're comfortable editing liquid templates, you can install Sajari in just a few steps. Let me take you through it. If you're running a live store, it's best to duplicate your theme and install Sajari into the copy. That way you can ensure that everything is perfect before you go live. Next up, we need to edit the code of the theme. First, create a new section. Call it Sajari Global. Replace the content of the file with the code snippet from the installation guide. Lastly, we include the newly created section file into the theme layout. To ensure your site stays fast, we'll add the section just before the closing body tag. Next up, we will replace the existing search page with the search interface we just generated. Just like before, we will create a new section. This time we'll call it Sajari Search, and again, we replace the entire content with the code snippet from the installation guide. We'll add the newly created section into the search template to replace the existing interface. You will notice that we've replaced everything except the div tag. Placing our search within that div tag will ensure that the page width of the search page is consistent with the rest of the theme. We save the file, and that's it. Time to preview the search. Your search box now features suggestions based on a user search, and the search result page fits neatly into the theme with the filters that we configured earlier. And that's it. All you need to do is publish the theme and enjoy one of the most powerful search experiences available for Shopify today.